Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 5944. This ran from 03-2013 to the 1st 2017. It has a A16 1600 4-cylinder turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the A16 1600 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight has some cracks. Left front 18-inch factory alloy medical tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy medical tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy medical tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy medical tyre. Right front headlight. Right front mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory sat nav touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.